Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start, make sure you have a cash card linked to your Cash App account. If you don't already have one, open the Cash App on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on the second option, which is the Cash Card tab. Follow the instructions to order your cash card. It is a Visa debit card connected to your Cash App account. Once your cash card is activated, you'll be able to use it for withdrawals. Now, let's move to the Prizepicks app. Open Prizepicks on your device and log into your account. On the top left corner of the screen, you'll see a menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this menu to open the options. Look for the section labeled Request Withdrawal and select it. On the withdrawal page, you will see your current Prizepicks balance. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Below that, you'll find an option to input your card details. Here, you need to enter the details of your cash card. Make sure the information is accurate, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once everything is filled out correctly, confirm your withdrawal request. The withdrawal process may take some time to complete, depending on the processing time set by Prizepicks. Keep an eye on your Cash App account for the funds to arrive. Once the money appears in your Cash App balance, you can use it for purchases or transfer it elsewhere if needed. So, that's basically how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.